USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against yen. Before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share right here. Subscribe, like and share. And below the video you have some links. So click on the first one saying swing like a pro. So click on that link, come to this page where you can go and watch these videos, all the setups which we have taken in the recent past. Okay. Go and check out these setups and join the program if you want, and enter and exit with me. Then go and join this program, and then you can book consultation and join the brokers right here. So go and do that if you want. And the third link is absolutely free. Join my free Telegram, get into it. Okay, coming back to the chart, starting the top down approach with the weekly time frame. Weekly we are up, daily we are up. Okay, 4 hour we are still up, but USDJPY, don't trade it. Okay, I think it's gonna go down, but don't trade. We have too many other pairs to trade. You can trade Euro USDJP USD, and you can trade AUD USD too if you want. But USDJPY, my recommendation is don't trade. Okay, otherwise I think it's gonna go down for now temporarily. Let me see. In 4 hour we got yeah, this low was taken, so new low, pullback, and new low. Temporarily it could go down, but my recommendation is not to trade USDJPY. Avoid, just go and trade Euro USDJP USD. Okay, all right, so if you want to enter and exit with me, then go and join the swing like a pro. Go and join the program, and then you will get exact my trades. And join Telegram, blah blah blah, and subscribe, like and share. Till then, take care.